Hey, what is going on, guys? Seth Carr back with another vlog. This is vlog number 10. Today I'm going to Williams. Hopefully we can think of some videos to make, hopefully some for his channel. Hope you guys love the content I've been making so far, and thank you guys so much for all the support I've been getting. I'll see you when I'm heading to Williams, guys. Peace out. Alright guys, so I'm heading to Williams. I should probably text him that I'm coming so that if he has something to plan before I get there, he'll be able to do it. But alright guys, might do a little time lapse of me walking here, so gosh, it's cold out again. But hopefully we figure out something to do. I just asked to see if he wanted to hang out. I didn't really say what we were gonna do, so let's hope he's at the door. Alright. What's up, William?
Hey.
How you doing?
Good.
Ooh, it's cold out, bruh. We're recording that? I figured. I didn't see it. Surprisingly, I looked at the window. I didn't see it though, yeah.
Because it didn't have the screen, I had it.
Yeah, you had it like that. So I'm thinking we could do whatever.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, I was like, instead of going all the way to the field,
yeah,
we could just do it out front.
True.
And I was thinking you and I could just post the same video, but like not same. I mean, like it'd just be a video of drone footage instead of having to put it in the video.
Yeah.
You know, so it's just separate. So like you guys don't have to deal with me constantly putting drone footage in each vlog. But hopefully this vlog will be different, you know. All right, guys. I'll see you when we're doing something. So William and I are just gonna fly the drone. There's gonna be 2 uploads today, which will be the vlog, and then I'm gonna be uploading the drone footage on a separate video. And basically what William and I are gonna do today is after we fly the drone around for a bit, I'm gonna show you some behind the scenes footage of me and him filming his gear, his camera gear. It's huge. There's a lot of camera gear, right, Will?
Yeah.
So let's get into this, bro. Oh! I just got some drone footage. William's gonna get some. We're not done flying it. It's at like 70% battery. But we got a lady that asked us what it was. Wow, it's so loud, bro. We flew it to my house. You'll see that in the video. Very cool, guys. Catch you when we're inside. Peace out. Out of nowhere, guys. It just started blizzard, bro. We got all drone footage. Oh my god. Guys, this is crazy. Look at this. Oh my god. We're still flying out here. Oh. Guys, I gotta put the camera back. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cool. I'm copying Crazy Russian Hacker. I cannot believe it started snowing when we got to the place. I'm so hyped for it. Alright, you might want to take it in then. We're gonna have to watch that. Oh, listen to the wind. Oh my god. Out of nowhere. It just started raining. I mean, snowing. That was literally that was the weirdest thing. William literally got it on the camera. Like on the drone camera. So we're gonna watch it right now. And then I'll show most of the footage that we got. I mean, we had to cut it short. It probably would have been like a 15-minute video, but it started snowing, so.
Make up for it in the end.
True. Alright guys, peace out. Alright guys, so William, I don't know if you're over, but alright guys, William and I are getting ready to set up for the little video on his channel that's going to be about his camera setup. I did a video on my camera setup, and now it's going to be on William's, and William's is huge. So I'm gonna do a little tiny video on the footage from behind the scenes right about now. Alright guys, so this is just a portion of what William has. We're setting up right now. I'll see if I can try and get some background footage. What I'm probably gonna do is place the camera like somewhere over here and just show William just sitting there. It's only gonna be like a 10-second clip because I don't want to spoil the whole thing, you know? Alright guys, here comes the footage.
Something's not right. A lot of stuff. Hold on, I gotta get more.
Alright guys, so I just finished editing the drone footage and it'll probably go on William's channel as well, right William? William just watching some videos. I'm just chilling out right now. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired guys. But hopefully you guys had a good Monday. Mine went great. Definitely leave a like, comment down below, subscribe for more content like this. Peace out guys. Anything you gotta say, William?
Except...
Whoa, ah!